The journey begins with the harvest of rich green leaves. Strung with care, they enter the barns for curing. Heat and air transform them into golden treasures. A perfect
This color shows perfect maturity. Yes, the texture is very smooth.
Yes, the texture is very smooth.
These golden leaves are the result of perfect curing. The texture is smooth and the color is exactly what we need. Flue-curing requires precise control. A few degrees can change the entire quality. This is where science meets tradition. This batch is coming out perfectly. During this phase, moisture evaporates. The leaves turn a rich, golden brown.
The color is perfect.
Yes, the humidity is dropping.
The temperature must remain perfectly controlled. This process requires precise temperature control. Warm air from the flues rises through the leaves. This turns them from green to a rich golden yellow. Proper ventilation ensures the perfect cure.
Inside the curing barn, precision is key. Farmers meticulously arrange the fresh Virginia tobacco leaves distribution. This process defines the quality of the final product.
Keep the spacing even.
Like this, perfect for the barn.
Farmers carefully inspect each leaf for size and maturity. They arrange them carefully before flue curing. In rural India, the curing process is a precise art. This furnace feeds heat into massive metal flues. It brings out the rich texture of the golden leaves. Greets the vast tobacco. Virginia tobacco is meticulously harvested. The leaves are transported to traditional barns for curing. During the curing process, the leaf transforms. Checking the midrib ensures perfectly cured tobacco. For Indian farmers, this is a precise and traditional art.